What's going on, everybody? In this video, you're gonna learn how to tie your belt. You just started karate, you got your uniform, you got your brand new belt, but how do you tie the thing? My name is Sensei Carlos, welcome back to another video, guys. What do you say we get started?
So, start by grabbing your belt, one in each hand. Take those hands, bring them out nice and wide so that when you bring your belt behind you, you're able to get those hands to switch. Make sure that you take your right hand and layer that underneath first, then take the left hand and you want to layer that on top so that when you bring it around, you transfer that to your right hand. Your right hand's going to bring that belt and layer on top all the way to the front as you take your left hand and you're going to push the belt underneath the belt on the left side. As you bring the belt to the front, you should have your right layered on top and the left pushed underneath the belt underneath. Then with your right hand, hold on to both, take that left hand, grab the edge of the belt that's on top, and you're going to take that down and under and through all the belt. So you just created 2 layers, make sure you go underneath that. Then go ahead and tighten it to your desired tightness. Bring those belts in front, make sure they're nice and even. Then take your left hand, the one on top, crisscross over, hold it with one hand and use your right hand to push that belt underneath through the hole. You should have your tips in your left hand and the other side in your right. Pull it tight and we're done. Nice job, you guys. Let's do another one, but this time, let's do it faster. Take the belt, pull it behind. You want your right hand to layer on the bottom, then you want the left hand to layer on top. Take that, transfer to your right hand, bring it all the way to the front so it layers nice and even. There should be only 1 layer. Then you take that left hand, poke it underneath. As you can see, there's 1 layer of the belt. The right layer is on top, the left layer is on the bottom. Then take that right hand, hold the center of the belt, and then take that belt, loop it underneath all the belts, cinch it to your desired tightness, pull the belt out in front of you, make sure they're nice and even. Then take that left hand, take it on top, crisscross, take your right hand to use to go underneath the belt through and tighten. Nice job, you guys.
And just like that, you guys, that's it for this video. Sweet, simple, short, to the point. Hope you guys had fun following along. Practice at home tying your belt, because when you guys get to class, you're gonna wanna know how to tie your own belt for your karate class. If you're part of the Dragon Dojo family, you're required to know how to tie your belt, and you guys will get that tip, that gold tip on your belt. So I'll see you guys next week for classes, and let's practice tying that belt. Be disciplined at home, you guys. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you guys later. Peace.